everybody. You all are welcome again back to Colpo Vision India. Actually, आप सबको पता ही है हम लोग ये ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग वीक मना रहे हैं 1st से 7th तक. एवरी डे वी आर प्लानिंग सम एक्टिविटी और द अदर. और एक्टिविटीज मतलब क्या है? इट्स लाइक फुल ऑफ लॉट ऑफ एक्शन. एक्शन सबसे ज्यादा किसमें होती है? आज के हमारे यूथ में. इसके लिए टुडे वी हैव चैत्रवी साटेलकर. चैत्रवी साटेलकर को मैंने क्यों बुलाया ऐसे आप सोचोगे कि शी इज सच अ यंग डायनेमिक स्वीट लुकिंग गर्ल. उसका ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग में क्या काम हो सकता है? सी, ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग करना ये तो एक नेचुरल चीज है. इसमें ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है कि जो भगवान ने दिया बस अपने को बच्चे के पास ट्रांसफर करना है. कल हमने बहुत सारी चीजें डिस्कस की रिगार्डिंग पोजीशन, रिगार्डिंग एवरीथिंग. लेकिन ये सब तभी पॉसिबल है जब हम एक कंफर्टेबल कपड़े पहनकर अपनी लज्जा का रक्षण कर सके. इस प्रकार से हम ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग अगर करते हैं तो ही हम कंफर्टेबल हो सकते हैं. बेसिकली इट्स ऑल अबाउट कंफर्ट ऑफ द मदर. अगर आप बच्चे को पिलाना चाहते हो, सी बच्चा, कल गीता मैडम ने बताया था कि अगर बच्चे को भूख लगती है तो बच्चा क्या करता है? पहले वो यहाँ वहां ढूंढता है कि कोई अपने फूड का सोर्स आसपास में है या नहीं. और वो जब नहीं मिलता तब उसकी आवाज का कोई ठिकाना ही नहीं रहता. जो से हाउलिंग, थ्रोइंग फीट, ये सब चलते रहता है. अब जब बच्चा ये सब करने जा रहा है तब माँ की कंडीशन एकदम बुरी होती है. यहाँ वहां से कहीं से दौड़ के बस बच्चे के पास आ जाओ, बच्चे को फटाफट दूध पिलाओ. एंड देन शी रियलाइजेस, ओह अभी तो दरवाजा खुला है, कोई भी आ सकता है, खिड़की खुली है, कोई भी आ सकता है, मैं तो ट्रेन में हूँ. लोग बोल रहे हैं अरे कितना इसका बच्चा रोता है, माँ तो मैनेज ही नहीं कर रही. एंड दैट्स द रीजन वी थॉट ऑफ दिस टॉपिक टुडे कि a lady has to be very comfortable. We have to have a comfortable wear for this breastfeeding mother. And this would really promote this. कपड़े किस औरत को पसंद नहीं है? I think everybody enjoys wearing good and new clothes. So Chaitravi, I want you to tell how to make this breastfeeding experience comfortable, because I know you are a fashion designer. She's, by the way, she's a student in Pearl Academy. She's in her final year and she aspires to be leading Indian wear designer. So obviously in India still breastfeeding is in vogue. It's still taken as a birthright of mother and baby. So here we have Chaitravi. Chaitravi, आप हमको बताएंगे कि various comfortable clothing हम कैसे अपने माँओं को दे सकते हैं.
Yeah. Okay, so
we can start your presentation. Yeah. Chaitravi, you can stand and you can give the presentation.
ओके, सो आज मैं आप लोगों को बताने वाली हूँ. आज मैं आप लोगों को बताने वाली हूँ कि हाउ कैन यू मेक योर नर्सिंग एक्सपीरियंस अ कंफर्टेबल वन. एंड क्या इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स है जो आप लोगों को दिमाग में रखने चाहिए व्हेन यू आर बाइंग क्लोथ्स फॉर योर नर्सिंग और योर ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग. सबसे पहले, व्हाई इज इट इम्पोर्टेंट टू वेयर कंफर्टेबल क्लोथिंग व्हाइल ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग योर बेबी. सबसे पहले और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट ये है कि until and unless you are not comfortable, your baby will not be comfortable. आपके बच्चे को एक कंफर्ट फील कराने के लिए आपको कंफर्टेबल फील करना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, आपको ऐसे कपड़े पहनने चाहिए जिस टाइप की फैब्रिक्स आपके बच्चे को चुभे नहीं एंड इवन यू आर कंफर्टेबल इन इट. And if you wear rough fabrics or very heavy fabrics, it can irritate the baby or it can even cause infections or skin rashes, etc. So it is very important to wear light fabrics and soft fabrics which can make your baby feel comfortable. It is very important to wear convenient clothes because you cannot predict कि तुम्हारे आपके बच्चे को कब मिल्क चाहिए और when is he going to, he or she is going to cry. and create a ruckus for you. So it is very important to wear convenient clothing जिससे कि आप कहीं भी हो you can feed your baby comfortably. And breastfeeding में जो सबसे important चीज है वो ये है कि you need to take the best care of your breast, and for that you need to wear the correct innerwear. Okay, you have to be extremely careful when you are choosing your nursing clothes. So women these days उनको comfortable कपड़ों के साथ साथ उनको fashionable भी लगना है. हर औरत का एक ये होता है कि मैं fashionable लगूं और मैं अच्छी लगूं. So that is the first thing that comes to a woman's mind when she's it is really difficult when you're in your nursing phase to find the perfect outfits or look fashionable at the same time. And somehow आप ये कोशिश करते हो कि आप ऐसे कपड़े खरीदो जिससे कि आप कन्वीनियंट भी रहे और आप फैशनेबल भी लगे. So you have to be very careful when you're choosing these clothes, and when you're choosing these clothes you have certain key points that you should remember. So there are सबसे पहले be careful of the essentials first. You should buy the correct innerwear that will keep your breasts in shape and comfortable. You should go for layers because you've just delivered a baby. You tend to have extra weight which you can cover by layers. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि आप बहुत कपड़े पहनोगे तो आप ज्यादा मोटे लगोगे. You can wear layers to cover that weight also. You should be in love with patterns. आपको ऐसा कहीं नहीं लिखा गया है कि आप नॉर्मल टी-शर्ट्स या नॉर्मल सलवार सूट पहनो when you are nursing. There's nothing like that. You should try different patterns which will remove your inner beauty. Choose the perfect shape. बहुत लोग ऐसे कहते हैं कि हम प्रेग्नेंट हैं या हमने अभी अभी बेबी डिलीवर किया है तो हमें लूज कपड़े पहनने चाहिए जिससे हमारी बॉडी शेप दिखे नहीं. But there's nothing like that. The more looser clothes you wear, you tend to look out of shape. So you should wear clothes that are of your size and which can enhance your body shape. You can wear evening dresses because you don't need to feel uncomfortable at all. That's the best and the most convenient. You can wear overlapping dresses. There are a lot of variety that is available in the market today. So how does conveniency and fashion go hand in hand? So it is not at all necessary that nursing clothes cannot be fashionable. There are आज के ज़माने में जितने भी top retail brands है available in all the malls, they all create clothes for women in pregnancy and post pregnancy. And ये सब मतलब जो बड़े बड़े brands है H&M, Zara, all of them are doing this so that a mother can look confident and fashionable at the same time during her pregnancy or post her pregnancy. So, and the fashion industry is growing so vast today कि they are trying to create clothes not only for zero size women or young ladies or something like that. They are creating clothes for all type of ladies, which also caters to pregnant women and post pregnancy women. And it is a myth that convenient clothes cannot be fashionable. There are a lot of fashion designers today who are collaborating conveniency and fashion in the same outfits. So fashion garments for nursing moms, like you can see, these are all the latest trends that are going on, wearing off shoulders or cold shoulders and all of this. And all of this can be worn in your nursing times. आप ये सब कपड़े आपके nursing में भी use कर सकते हो. Like you can see the off shoulder top there. If you can wear shorts and all which are button downs, which is very convenient. You don't have to feel awkward or uncomfortable. You can just unbutton a few of your shirts of the button and to feed your baby. Even short dresses, if you have buttons in them, it is very convenient, and short dresses are very comfortable. Even our normal daily t-shirts that we wear, you get t-shirts for nursing mothers who have buttons on the shoulders, which is extremely convenient. Okay, so nursing dress. So it is आपके लिए to have the perfect innerwear while you're nursing is very important, and there are innerwears available in the market for specifically for your nursing times. So I think every woman should go for this rather than wearing your normal innerwear which is really uncomfortable and awkward. ये बहुत ही convenient चीज है जो market में available है बहुत easily. I think all the women should go for this. Nursing shawls. This is a completely new concept which is not very much in the market as yet. But ये भी आप लोगों को online वगैरह मिल सकता है. This is a very nice and a new unique thing that has come out. जिससे you can be covered. The fabric is so soft and comfortable that your baby will feel warm and comfortable while you're feeding the baby. And you can wrap your baby around in it so that whenever it's sleeping or something, it can be comfortable near your body so that it gets the warmth of a mother. And also you can use it in various ways while you're breastfeeding the baby. So apart from this, I would like to give you all a few more key points. It is like even when you're wearing Indian wear, it's not necessary that you can't wear heavy Indian clothes while you're breastfeeding or anything. आप लोग अच्छे Indian कपड़े, fashionable कपड़े भी पहन सकते हैं. Just by incorporating a few key points, you can add zips to your center front of the neck, or you can add buttons to your shoulder part. All this can be done and incorporated in whatever clothes you want to wear. These days, people are customizing clothes, creating clothes. You can wear whatever you want. You can ask your designer or your tailor or whoever to incorporate these few things in your clothing, by which you can stay in trend, you can look fashionable, and you can be an amazing mother to your baby when you're breastfeeding. So that's all. Thank you very much for having me here.
Okay, because most of the times it happens, see, everybody will not have the similar kind of milk. Some people have lot of milk, some people have less milk, whatever it may be. Sometimes this milk overflows, and like maybe a mother is like actually working, and if the milk overflows, then that does not look good. So what would you suggest for them?
So I missed out on this point, but you get these breast pads in the market, which are for your overflowing of the milk, etc. So when you wear those pads along with your innerwear, it does not show your overflowing.
True. So this is a very useful tip for our viewers, that so they can have those pads ready, and then they are washable usually, or they are disposable.
You get washable ones also, which are a little on the expensive side. You get disposable ones also, which are a little cheaper than and it depends from a woman to woman. Some people are very hygienic about their things, who don't like to use such things after washing it, and all people prefer disposable things.
True.
So you get these options in the market.
So this is an extremely good list. I like those shawls also. See, when we talk about breastfeeding or initiation of breastfeeding, that सबसे पहले बच्चे को फीड आने के लिए ना बच्चा माँ के बहुत पास होना जरूरी है. And in your that slide you showed that first shawl was wrapped so well to the baby, and baby was like snugly attached to the mother. And if a cloth can do that, still you can have both your hands to yourself,
and the baby can be very close to you. And another thing is that all these nursing innerwears and the shawls and everything is made out of organic cotton, which is not harmful for your baby or even for your own body.
Oh, great. So, that's very good, because see, it's a tender, small little baby. Her skin is very tender, and it's very easy for them to get infection. Especially for the mothers who have to travel in their trains, the mothers who are really traveling a long distances to do a job, and then when they come back, they're their breasts are all full of milk. So that starts overflowing, and that is where I think your wares and your everything really will work beautifully. So let me ask if there are any questions from the viewers.
I have a question. So, is it necessary to wear any particular type of colors, which is, as you spoke about, the milk flowing, and there are patches on the clothes and all. So, is it necessary, or will it make sense wearing particular colors during that time?
So what do you say?
Okay, so I would say that in such cases you should avoid wearing pastel colors or light colors, because those colors show stains and everything very easily. So you should try and wear darker shades which can avoid, like you get darker shades which does not show stains or marks very easily. So I would suggest that you wear darker shades while you're using.
Yeah, that's a good point. But Sonal, let me tell you, I feel that coverage shawl is awesome, because see, the milk is going to be having a little bit of calcium deposits. So the milk that comes out also will definitely leave some stains. Of course, they are washable. None of the stains will be remaining permanent. But yes, wearing dark colors will actually hide it better. And wearing a shawl will not even show any, the line of demarcation between a normal cloth and a
even if
stained
you
cloth.
don't, not everybody has the means to buy the top clothes for their nursing. So you can incorporate scarves in your daily whatever outfits you're wearing, because a scarf is very convenient. It can keep you covered while you're feeding the baby, and the baby can also feel the warmth. So you can also do that.
Yes. In fact, you know what? Yesterday we had our Muslim friends who had joined our breastfeeding campaign and breastfeeding awareness program, and they did say that it is most convenient to have even burqa.
Yeah.
And it is convenient to use that as a outer covering. Only thing is that most of the times, being a dark cloth, it attracts a lot of dust and moisture also, and then it gets little difficult. So keeping a good sense for the hygiene is most important. And I feel that I'll just add that see to it that your clothes are properly cleaned, washed. They don't need to be completely get into Dettol washed or anything. Regular detergents are all fine, but the underclothes need to be very,
Very
hygienic and clean. So any more questions coming from anybody?
Yes, I would like to ask if there are sizes available, and is it very easily available, because everybody is not in online shopping. Most of the people just go to shops and stuff like that. So is it easily available?
Yeah, so I think places like Mom and Me and the other stores who have kids wear and mothers wear too, I think sizes are available. We are not anymore in that period where only one size or free size clothes are available. Every brand, every fashion house does create different sizes to cater to their clients, because that is how they can attract clients. If your client feels comfortable, only then will your customer come back to you. So definitely sizes are available in the market.
Then Chaitra, we see you are wanting to be an Indian wear designer, right? So the best Indian designer wear has to be sari. I always feel that sari always is draped in such a way that all your curves get either highlighted or hidden.
Yeah.
So do you have any proposals for different kind of blouses which you can plan to have for feeding? Because I think sari gives you a cover of that padar anyway.
Yeah, so I think you can wear any and every style of a blouse even when you're breastfeeding, because it doesn't have to be, it's not like, yeah, it is a big deal for the mother, but it's not, I don't think ladies should really hype it. You can still wear anything and everything that you want. It's just that you need to incorporate a few things. Like I told you, you can have a fashionable zip at the center front. There are blouses available today which have zips that are prominent. That's a style.
Oh,
yeah.
Really?
So you can have that, which is convenient. Or if you're a very shy person, or you don't wear really bold clothes, you can have side zips in your blouse, which is also very convenient.
Oh.
And yeah, you can have a hook or something here, which is again convenient. And obviously you have the color of the sari to have the baby covered or not fell off. Or
any question coming from audience again? Okay, so I think we can conclude this session, and whatever are the viewers coming in with questions for Chaitravi, then they are all welcome to come back to our Kalpovision page. They can post their questions also. And the page is called Kalpovision India, and I think when you are visiting that, do visit our Kalpovision India also, because we are going to have a lot of events. We will have a lot of messages which will be going across during this session of 1 to 7, because it's World Breastfeeding Week, and we really want that our mothers should not go weak during this breastfeeding. It's an experience which everybody wishes to have, and this is also already flashed on the Facebook. Every day's programs are told to you, and our number is 8976764844. So keep this number also in mind. You can have phone calls also. We will note down your queries and we'll like to answer them in forthcoming sessions. Just a passing, remark, I would just say that preparation for this breastfeeding by God starts at the time of conception. There is this prolactin hormone which is secreted along with the pregnancy hormone. Okay, Chaitravi?
This is something that I did not know, but thank you for the information.
So the breast size actually starts growing because it is filling up with the milk. And the general tendency of day-to-day working ladies is not to throw the clothes away. They feel that actually, let me just adjust myself into those clothes. So I feel they should not be doing that.
I don't think they should be doing that, because if you want to be healthy and you want to feed the baby well, you need to take very good care of your breast. So just fitting in smaller size innerwear is not an option, ladies. I really think you should buy the perfect size, and these nursing innerwear, they are made in such a way that they adjust to your breast in whatever size they grow or reduce. So you should really buy these nursing innerwears beforehand, even probably before the baby is coming into the world.
Yes, exactly. So that is what is my point, Chaitravi. I would really like you to be a part of our antenatal dress up also, because we are getting into this change of breast sizes. These are the natural changes that will happen in the antenatal period, and we will definitely like to have more of fashion coming, so that the pregnancy has to be a very joyful experience and people should enjoy it.
Definitely.
So I expect you to be back again on antenatal wears too. So with this, I say thank you and have a happy breastfeeding week. Everybody do come to Kalpovision India and just be our team, start speaking about it, and let's discuss on the next event that we are having is our papas are coming today. They are going to tell the dad's role in nursing, in breastfeeding, and that is going to be moderated by Dr. Shri Ram. He is a good dad himself, okay? So, not just talking about our people, but then the message that we want to do is the entire world will support a breastfeeding lady, girl, and that is how it has to be. And that is what is our motto of this Kalpovision India, that we are wanting a good, healthy relationship building during this breastfeeding week. Okay, so thank you.